The magic of nature. Nature is full of wonders that never cease to amaze us. From the towering mountains to the deep blue seas, every part of our natural world has something special to offer. When we step outside and take a moment to breathe in the fresh air, we can feel a sense of peace and connection that is hard to find anywhere else. Imagine walking through a forest, with sunlight streaming through the leaves and birds singing overhead. The smell of pine and flowers fills the air, and everything seems calm. This is the beauty of nature. It helps us relax, clears our minds, and allows us to feel more connected to the world around us. Nature is not just about beauty, it's also about life. The trees, plants, and animals all work together in an incredible cycle. Trees provide oxygen for us to breathe, rivers and oceans support countless species, and animals play essential roles in keeping the ecosystem balanced. When we take care of nature, we are also taking care of ourselves. But in today's fast-paced world, many of us forget to appreciate these wonders. We are often busy with our screens, work, and other responsibilities. However, it's important to take breaks and spend time in nature. Even a short walk in a park can refresh our minds and bodies, giving us the energy to continue with our daily tasks. Nature also teaches us valuable lessons. We learn patience from the slow growth of trees and resilience from the way animals adapt to changing seasons. By observing the world around us, we gain a deeper understanding of life and find inspiration for our own challenges. In conclusion, nature is a gift that offers us beauty, peace, and lessons. It's important to spend time outdoors, appreciate the world we live in, and make efforts to protect it. Whether it's planting a tree, reducing waste, or simply taking a moment to watch the sunset, every small step we take can make a difference.